Right, good morning. Oh, terrible lighting this when we're in the car. I'm going to keep this very, very short because I'll allow Eli to explain what we're doing today. But I thought, since we're out in car, it's just random things, in it. You know, like when I wake up when I'm on trips and I'm like, how do you sleep on, do? I think charging the car's a new thing. Let's have a gander. We've got a big day ahead today. That ain't lasting, is it? Before we start, we've just had a Mackey's. All the rubbish is in the bag, or was in the bag.
It's not as bad as I thought it was. Oh yeah, hi. No, cut that shit.
Right, hello. Today, the drone has arrived, so we're taking it out. Would you like to show them?
Yes, I'm back. So we got a DJI Mini SE. It's been unboxed. We charged the batteries yesterday. Comes in this little case. So yeah, it's gonna be its maiden voyage for us today. We're heading up the Settle Carlisle line for a few shots up there, and then we're gonna go down the Barrow line as well towards Barrow.
So we decided to get some charge while we had breakfast. The charger at McDonald's was charging slower than the one at home. So we've driven to like a Services just round the corner, and that's charging equally as slow. So we're just gonna get a few miles in and just go for it. And if we're out of charge, we're out of charge, don't we? It's all right. I'll close these. You just faff around over there.
Yeah, sorry.
Are you just about to eat something?
Yeah.
Oh my word. Where are we off? Where's first call?
First call point is Hillerfield Station.
Oh, my seat's going back.
And,
Like I've been at a dentist.
We'll get a shot of, like, an aerial shot of the station. It'll look good.
Let's go. How long is it going to take? I don't know, because someone's too busy eating rather than connecting the phone. It's further than what I thought, actually. What about you?
It's about what I thought it'd be.
Oh, okay. This is Hellifield Station, and we're just in the car park. And here is a railway shed. It was built for stabling stuff by a company called West Coast Railways, but it's not used. So we thought we'd just set this up, and this will be our first location for flying drone. How was the initial flight?
It flew very, very well. It's a lot easier than some of the other drones I've had in the past. So it trims itself. If you don't know what trim is, it like levels the drone off and it doesn't just fly away, and it can just hover. So it does the trimming itself. And if I was to say fly it 100 meters, it would remember where it took off from. And if I click return to home and hold it, it will fly up to the altitude that I programmed it to, fly over to me, and then land. So it's very, very, it's a very useful tool. Yeah, it's definitely one of the best drones I've flown.
I'll keep it real. It's freezing. It's absolutely freezing. We've come to Ribley Viaduct. You probably know of it. There's no phone signal, and we didn't do any sort of proper research before we came, and I really, really need a wee. This is probably one of the best views whilst having it we have had for a long time. Oh, alright then. Imagine it was good. Right, you've never had a port scratching before, have you?
That's horrible.
I don't think they're too bad. Oh, not very good on that. Nice, I think. Matey, why are you putting drone away?
So, us being fools, forgot to actually update the drone. Because this drone's not been used in a while, it needs a firmware update. And so, we forgot to do it, and we can't take off because it needs to be able to connect to the satellites for the return to home features and some other stuff like that, and the location as well, because this drone actually has a location, you can actually see it. You can like find my drone and everything. It's brilliant. So unfortunately we haven't updated the drone, so you can see these see these light locals, and then we'll have to go back to the pub and update it.
But I thought you'd updated it at Hellyfield.
No, it didn't work.
Because we weren't on Wi-Fi. Thing is, the pub is only there, so it's not the end of the world. I'm absolutely gutted that I missed this. I just run down into Dusty Dinner, and it was the campiest thing I've ever seen. Just a quick dinner, what are we having?
Sweet chili chicken sarnie and a portion of chips.
Them chips look good as well. So we're not overly hungry after that rocky road, so we're just going to share a sarnie. And then we're moving on, aren't we?
We started to drive to, how do you say it?
Aysgill.
So we were driving there, and we've missed 6K05, which is the engineering train, and we also missed the I think it's 6J37, which is with the logs. So we forgot that they were running, and then the drone has 2 NAF batteries. They're not charging, so we've currently got one battery hooked up to the power bank. It's charging, and we're on our way back down towards Ribblehead now to try and catch these other 2 66s that we missed because the drone needed the update. We're going to go and catch them again at Ribblehead, but they'll be on opposite way than what they were last time. And then we're going to try and make it to Hellyfield from there to see the 70 that we've just missed, because real-time train path is coming through like 2 minutes ago, but it came through at like 26. It was running so early and it was spraying, so I don't really know how good of a job he's actually doing with that. But yeah, we're on our way back down towards Ribblehead. We've got 18 minutes, and then yeah, we're just gonna eyeball it from there really. So yeah, we'll see you back at Ribblehead.
So I'll explain to you Eli's little geek out earlier when he was telling you all about trains. So one of the trains was like an engineering train with like different types of wagons for when they're doing repairs on the track. Then another train, the log train, that's just basically trees that are chopped down and then they bang them on the tree. It smells right nice when it passes. And then the RHTT, that's the one that cleans leaves off the line. So there you go. We found out that there is another stone train coming soon. So we're charging the car. Look at the sunset behind us. That's crazy. So we're here and the stone train goes past here in about half an hour. And coincidentally, that's when the car will finish a full charge. So hopefully that should do us. And then I think we're going to move on to Preston. So we've come to Preston because there's something quite interesting that we're going to see, isn't there? Could be something else interesting that we're not going to see. What are we coming for?
We've come for some nuclear flasks. It came from Sellafield. I'll get it up now. It came from Sellafield and they're going to Crewe coal sidings.
So, nuclear flasks, basically wagons that contain nuclear fuel, whether it's new or spent, we don't know. It's coming from Sellafield.
So it should be spent. Should be spent.
You would think so. But they're quite rare. You don't see them very often. In my 20 odd years on the railway, I think I've seen them maybe a handful of times and that's all. There you go. There you go.
It's fit, but it's messy.
What is it?
2 bits of chicken with a hash brown slapped in the middle with cheese and some supercharger mayo.
Is it any good?
Blackpool North. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
Welcome to Blackpool at 9 o'clock on a Thursday.
It's dead.
We should come back sometime.
Foreshadowing.
That's it. Are we off that way? All right, hang on, let me take my hat off. Whenever I wear my hat, my head looks really fat. Right, matey, that's it for today, innit?
Well,
That's it for today. You had a good one?
it's been good.
It's been all right. We're going to try again next week. See if you're here for that. See ya. Say bye.